How this thing coming like say I slim past like this?
That is the thing. Let me give you a tip, a fashion tip.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
If you are skinny,
Yes.
like me like this,
Yes.
wearing black makes you look even skinnier.
Skinnier.
Just so you know.
Okay.
That's why if you notice, you don't go ever catch me with black jeans.
No,
you don't ever see me with black jeans.
No. I never.
You don't go ever see me with black jeans. Even this one when I wear something because it get grey. Way match the
but me, I know system.
You understand? So if you wear black like this, you look slimmer than you actually are. It's a trim. That's why if you notice, most big people, they won't make them long dress. They usually comes in black shaped dress. So it gives you an illusion of being slimmer.
Illusion.
That is the thing.
Yes,
I'm also
for me,
a stylist.
I go always talk. I'm a sleep person. I don't have no apologies.
No, I have. Same here, man. I ain't got no apologies.
The way
I
we
don't
take
send
slim
you.
our sleep, make we slim our sleep like that. So,
Don't fool yourself.
my sister, forget.
Don't
Is
fool
it
yourself.
Now, so they tell Akporo,
Stop.
don't fool yourself.
Stop.
Don't fool yourself. He was broke for years. When they say Akporo, fool yourself, like endorsement. They talk to me.
All right, welcome to the Paddy Show. My name is Namayowa, and in name, na Ogbolo. Now, I'm not really sure what we are looking at, so my eyes is just really left. Ogbolo, help me check. 6 or 5?
Which one?
This is 6 now.
6,
This is 5 now.
Why we can't be like this?
Help me check. 6 or 5? 6?
6.
Are you sure?
6.
Or the center?
6.
6? Okay, welcome everybody. We are on Paddy. Again, my name is Namayowa. In name is Ogbolo. And we are on 6.
So we go break now. By the time we come back from break, every will continue, right? No go anywhere.
This is a lot better, my God.
You know what she say? It's done better
It's
now.
a lot better.
Me, I they do me lightest.
I be stylist, you be lightest.
Yeah.
We are now together. We are stylists.
In this life, try as much as possible to say you go try your hand for different things.
Yeah.
Because you know the one who go bring the pay last. You understand? So as Genevieve go sing, no more rice, so no more beans. So
I got my picture, however. You used to call me my honey, give me sugar, make it lovey. My mama said to me that baby, don't be messing.
Yeah.
My mama said to me that baby, don't be messing. Move. I said move before I hit you for face. I said move before I hit your face.
No more rice, no more beans, no more things.
I got my feature, I remember. No more this, no more this. That song there.
Jenny, give me. Jenny, give.
Ogbolo, do you know the song that we rocked a lot that year?
Which song? Remind me, please. Remind me.
Julie.
Ah.
The way they love me so beauty. And the way that it's up there, the mama ride more, and mama the city no one, mama the baby the son, I say not a man in it, so but vibe for me, baby move for me, Tell me, come on, baby, yes, there we go. Oh, yeah. Again. We shake waist. Yeah. Our talent is quite versatile.
Yes, we do the right things.
We do lighting.
Yes.
Look at how we bright ourselves up now.
Yeah, we bright up ourselves.
Yeah.
We bright up ourselves.
We do stylist.
Yes.
We dress ourselves.
Yes.
Anyhow that we dress, you good, you no good, na trend. No worry.
We do every.
We do every. Now, we wine waist. So come for your wine waist classes.
Yes, wine waist classes.
Twerk.
Yes.
We can have 12 class for you. Like
anyone.
I was saying to somebody yesterday, I said, for people thank you.
Thank you.
My wig won't fall.
For me.
Like I was saying to somebody yesterday, I was saying to somebody yesterday, I said, see, it's not only people that have that know how to work.
No.
Even team people can do it.
Yes.
So I will teach you. You know, when you want to do it, you hold something.
I don't know for live TV.
No, I'll teach them. This one, you can do it anywhere. Okay. It doesn't really matter where.
Okay.
Then you now set like this, then you just jump.
Yeah, that's tricky.
Just jump. So even if the things that is not your leg at least is moving.
It's moving.
That is okay.
And
so
it going to help the movement of your spinal cord.
So when you are dancing and they say, it's time. Just jump. If you want to give them the killer move, raise one leg. That is it.
For your mind, they do like this.
That is the problem.
You don't
if you
keep
now
them.
see that you now want to enter the final one, just do like this.
Ah!
Once you do like this,
Oh!
just they do like.
Oh, they will die.
They will be like, oh my
They'll
God.
say, oh, boy.
Oh God, that girl can dance.
Twerk.
Oh my God, she
Oh,
dance.
blood. Oh, blood.
That is it.
Okay, so...
So again, we are dance instructors. So we'll teach you. Let's go on the game. Another reason why your humble, pretty, skinny little self, Mayowa, is going to prove to this man that women are a lot more intellectually sound than men. A round of applause
last week.
for me.
That me win last week.
No, you didn't.
Last 2 weeks.
No,
that
you
me still
didn't.
win.
No,
Who
you
win?
didn't.
Who win last?
Oh, but that's your problem. You see, that's the problem, baby. Don't rush.
Who win last
You know
week?
that when you're not really
Wait
too used to
now.
winning something, you emphasize and go on and on and on about it. But because
You belong to the league of people when you like to see person progress.
quiet,
That's
man.
I mean this lab.
Sorry. Now time for me to show this guy that I'm not really your mate. Let's on.
Let's go there, ladies
Yeah.
and gentlemen. It's time for games.
So my
That's what we
favorite
do.
part is the charade. The part where you
Charade.
say you don't go talk, you go just describe.
All right.
I love that one. Yes. So but we don't even know which one be the cards, whether not the green cards or the...
They don't tell us which one be the card for charade.
Let's make I see this one.
Okay. No, more will do this.
Okay, this one are white cards.
A stack of, okay, now white card be that one. That means charade own na blue.
Make I check.
Charade own will be blue. Charade own will be blue now.
Yes.
If this
charade.
one are white, charade own na blue. For the other side. You know plenty safe. Why they check them now?
No, I want to be sure. I go drop them if I
You
check.
saw these girls.
I want to be sure.
Now this thing you do last week.
Okay. Make I drop this one. Oh yeah. Done ready?
Oh yeah. Only.
You done ready?
This is sometimes women, some of them too wise for their own liking. Let's go there.
I'm a classic woman. You look at me, if you look at me, I'm a classic woman. All right. You ready, B?
Clock.
Yes, clock.
I just bad like that.
Clock. He has win it. Which counting you are
Until they
counting?
count again, I don't win now. Oh, they count again.
Hey, Miss Adao. Water? Water? My God.
These are two easy things.
What be this now?
Oh yeah, what could they do? What else? That be down, baby.
Are you ready?
What else? Let's go, let's go, let's
Hold on.
go. Yeah.
It's coming. I want to give them.
Oh yeah.
It's coming.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Oh yeah. Sneezing. Hiccup.
No, me! Not you!
See now the charade you do, I mean your own you do.
Now my own.
Oh, I said they do charade. Oh yeah, do charade, do charade.
Oh, yeah, let me do charade.
My own charade. My book you open. Oh, book.
Yes.
James, I don't know say you don't start to.
I don't start now.
I don't see person they flips and say, I say.
I don't start now.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't pass. I don't know say you don't dey open books.
This charade, I can't feel like person way dull.
Can't they be
You
like?
can't too simple. One cow, but this thing no
It's too simple.
Lifey.
Oh, yeah.
You don't come wear this wig again.
Yeah, we don't start to.
It's no sit where
Don't start to.
Photography, camera. How?
Too easy.
I don't do this charade again. No, might just do one more.
Bell.
Yeah. 12? We not do again. I not do again. Too
It's
simple.
too easy, man.
Why is
Come
this?
on.
Why is this? Do you think?
We are brighter than this.
Do you think that we went to school plus strike, spent
Yeah.
like 8 years for school for nothing?
We bright
Why is
past
this?
like this
Why,
now.
what's
Come
this?
on, come on.
Why are you making us feel like
Oh yeah, Mayowa. Do one from your head. Make I do one from my head.
Oh yeah?
As final round. Final round.
Okay.
Final round. Dun, 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 dun. Final round, ladies and gentlemen. Dance. Dancing.
Yeah.
Dancing. eh?
Yeah. That is it.
That was easy now.
I know. I did it according to my mood.
Okay.
You don't start.
No, I never started. The thing you want.
You know the time you want to talk when you blues. Because you're done slow.
Okay. For my own now this morning. Okay, I don't start like this.
Floor.
No.
Move, walk. Walking. Movement. Around. Move around. Looking for something. Passing by. Path.
One more option. End with G.
I don't know.
Now that's deep.
You know well.
That's deep. I mean, it's called pacing.
Oh my God. You don't have sense.
Wait, not you do
That
dance.
is your problem.
Not you do dance.
Ogbolo, for
Me, I
God's
do
sake.
pacing.
See, let me tell you something.
It's pacing.
Let me
Not
tell you
they
how-
do anytime,
Let me tell you how
anything.
smart people think, all right?
You're smart.
There's a difference between interpretation and guessing. Your interpretation skills is useless. I just want to tell you that you are useless in that part.
See this one.
Interpretation.
Anytime
you don't know
feel,
how to interpret
anytime you
something.
don't feel, you turn out to say you don't know how to. I go come out something else.
So respect yourself.
Oh yeah, what else can we do? Okay, more watch one video. We'll come back, we'll play another game. This game was too cheap. It's just too cheap for our liking.
It made me
please.
feel like I didn't know what I was doing.
Yes, I mean.
And I do know what I'm doing.
No, but really, Shamaya, why you gawk for that one? Pacing, ordinary pacing, come on. Walking around and looking confused. That's
around.
pacing, come on. Break, Jerry. I mean, just a weird wig.
You don't
they
know
cover
how to
your brain.
describe.
Afole kede. Kedu class gị? Ngwa gụwa. Wow, ngwakọrọ gị aka.
She sabi, not the pronunciations, but the fact says she sabi, that's something, isn't it?
Sabi. Shokoto.
Now picking na intonation and pronunciation.
But she sabi.
She sabi.
No give on to her.
Some
Because
people
many
don't
of us
sabi.
don't feel remember
I know
everything
old
again.
woman. Where put Dubai inside? She put Dubai. She said India. She put India for state and capital.
China.
She put China. She said state and capital. Abia, Umahia, China, Jigawa, Dutse, Dubai, India, and France. She put them. So
Let's give it to this small girl. We'll give it to her. But
yes,
she tried.
She tried. All right, so the next one we go do, now the one we consign song. I love this one. One word of the song.
Oh yeah, now.
Is it the white cards now?
White card. No. White card owner this one.
I don't even know again. You have to act like the animal with them pick. You go sweet. You go sweet. You go sweet. You go sweet. You go sweet.
Yeah, let's go.
Make I start. I go pick card and it has to act like the animal inside this card. Now the one when I take check with this.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You go know this one.
Oh yeah, now. Monkey, baboon, that family.
That family. All of them, monkey, baboon, chimpanzee, all. You see, you don't get interpretation skill.
Wait.
That is your problem. Horse. Donkey. Donkey. Okay. This one, Ogbolo.
Yeah.
You go know am.
Yeah.
So since I know say you go know am, make I just use and sing abeg. E dey sweet me to sing the song. That's why my boo, you are my lion queen.
Is it my
That's
lion
my queen. You are my lion queen.
Yeah, pick her now. Before we start feeling.
Yeah, wait, sorry.
Now don't switch it to do now. You always have to put me for chance.
Okay.
Snake now.
Yes.
The last time we do this thing, now we talk now. Nobody all this one will talk. Oh yeah. You don't see him. No she.
I really didn't. You are so threatened by me. You are so threatened by me. Oh my God.
Threatened by you.
You are so threatened.
All these
by me.
modern witches.
You are always threatened by me. Puppy. Dog.
I know how to do. It's too easy.
This one, I don't know how to do it too. Okay. This is my 2 teeth for front.
Rabbit.
Yes. Oh, you don't know. You abuse me for your mind. This is my 2 teeth.
But now I like.
See.
I love it when chicks get all those.
What's up, Doc?
All those chicks that they get rabbit teeth for front. Now maybe like to WhatsApp page where we get all those kind of teeth.
Rabbit teeth for front. Molars. Cock. We don't do again, I beg, give us laugh.
It's too easy.
It's too easy.
It's just too easy.
I beg. Today when I dress, come do game. When I don't fall my hand. I don't do again.
It's just too easy. What goes up and never come down?
Rain. Water. Sorry.
They come down. What goes up and never comes down?
Wisdom, thinking. Don't know. I remember that in that year, I don't forget. I don't forget.
So Mojo take and say you fail.
No, I don't fail. I forgot because it's really old, right from when I was a child. Yes.
Different things they go up, but they come down. If you all talk one.
Okay, they come down.
No, they come down. Yeah.
Give us Yandy Yan, I beg, before we begin talk rubbish for you now. Give us, I say Yandy Yan.
For all the foodies, all people that will like food finish, that goes out to you. Goes out to you. So.
Well, it's been long. We give them a special number. We have like a minute
have what
to give them a special number.
Special number.
Something.
Oh, oh,
When I think of all the nice things you did to me, baby, I just wanna scream. But I remember that when you go up, you never really come down. I was scared. I said, no. I can't take it anymore. Then I looked to my eyes, I looked to you, and I said, baby girl, it's you that I want, it's you that I need, it's you that I want. Oh, everything I do.
Paddy.
Yeah.
On top Twitter.
Yeah.
We love you.
Yeah.
Bless you. See you tomorrow.
Now, everything that I do is you, baby. Come on, give it to me now. Give it to us now. Let's dance. Yo.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.